So guys, we are making chicken sauce stew. Yeah, these are my ingredients. So I'm gonna be using to make this stew. Yeah, I won't be adding that red meat. So I'll start by frying my onion. So this is the chicken, it's been washed. Yeah, so I'm gonna season it, allow it to cook on the pan while I'm gonna use the other pot to stir fry the veggies. I forgot to use my what they call it, my carrots in the fridge. I forgot to add my carrots, so but it's okay. This stew was very yummy. So this me adding the ingredients on the chicken. So add a little oil to fry my veggies. Yeah, because I use bell pepper, a lot of them. So this is the baby girl is on my back. Enjoy. I thought she was sleeping, but she's not sleeping. She was just there relaxing on my back. She was crying, so I had to back her. So baby girl is on my side snoring right now, in case you hear someone snoring on the recording, right? So I added my veggies. So this my seasoning also, to put everything together. It's very yummy, guys, if you taste it. So I still have stew in my freezer, but so let me try different thing. Last week I cooked this just the vegetable stew. They make some chicken sauce, vegetable. Yeah. You're up, mama. So I added some soy sauce on it. So this, so I stir everything together. Then I added the chicken because I stir fry on the pan. Then this my thickener I added. So I use flour to make my thickener. So again with the green onions. Yeah. So I'm just making it fast because today I was very busy today. I cooked after cooking this stew, I cooked sauce. After that I also cooked some okra soup. Look at that. Very yummy. Look at how it's looking. So that is my chicken sauce stew. Yeah, this is what I cooked this weekend. See how it is. My rice. Very yummy sauce.
Hi. Hi, mommy.
Love this, guys.
Hi,
it is really good. You guys want some?
Yeah.
Mm.
You like it, mommy?
I love it.
You love it, mommy?
Yeah.
I got it. Look. Hi. It's so
It's very yummy. Look at that.
Yeah. Mommy made this thing. It's so very yummy.
Yeah. So I'll go and relax and cook. I've been busy since today. I have to also cook okra soup now.
Okra soup.
Yeah. So bye.
Bye.